Uh, we're going to be talking today about Lighthouse Learning first, and then EuroKids National Preschool, and we have Mother's Pet Kindergarten, which is only based in Nagpur. EuroKids and Kangaroo Kids are spread out across the country. We also have multiple brands within our K-12 network. K-12 means the main schools. So we have Euroschool, Centerpoint Schools, Billabong High International Schools. We have Heritage International School. We have the Phoenix Green School of Learning. And we also have the Finland International School in Maldives, which is part of the Lighthouse K-12 network. So today, Lighthouse is 60 K-12 schools across the country, and we have 1,850 preschools across the country. So we've grown to be a very large and very impactful network and an organization. But we are also a very purpose-driven organization. We are very happy to be involved in the task of nation building, because education is really creating the leaders for tomorrow, is creating the capabilities that we need for the nation to grow and go to the next level in its growth journey. I'd like to share with you a short video on the Lighthouse Learning Group and its purpose. Eureka is the visible thinking curriculum, and when we started research on the 8th version of the curriculum, this work was started by Dr. Anita Madan about 2.5 years back. We had to make a choice on what we would base our next curriculum on. And that was a time when AI was becoming big. AI was pervading many different parts of our lives. There was a lot of conversation about how AI would take over the world. So the decision in front of us was to focus our new curriculum on the one thing that AI cannot do. The difference between humans and AI is that humans can think, AI cannot think. Right? So in a future where the children who are in EuroKids today grow up and start to go towards jobs, the one skill which will be very useful for them is their thinking skills. Okay? And that is the basis of the entire new curriculum that we are launching today. That's why it's called Eureka, the Visible Thinking Curriculum.
A lot of thinking, but actually thinking cannot be visible, because what you're thinking in your mind, I will never know till you tell me that. And that's the reason we are following it through a approach which is research done at the Harvard University. In 1967, researchers did a project called Project Zero, where they started finding out on different thinking tools that can be given to children. Because when we were young, we were taught what to think, but we were never taught how to think. And that is the reason why we have these tools which are called the thinking routines which are developed. Now, thinking routines are basic set of questions that we guide our teachers to ask in the classroom, so that they can then enable the child to do deeper thinking and deeper learning. I'll take you through the video by Ron Richardson, who is the researcher at the Harvard University for the Project Zero, who spoke about how these thinking routines are the structures that will help children to think.